Tell the room to stop spinning. It's making me queasy.
Miss Montello, you talked to Frank yet?
Who? Oh, yeah, This is, a situation that requires some finesse. He lost a lot of money on you.
Okay.
We can protect your kid, but, you're gonna have to work to earn that protection. Them's the rules. One of my earners named E-Man might be able to use you. Go find him.
Where are you, my tiny darlings? Where did... here's one of you.
Are you E-Man?
Sometimes, sure, okay. Sometimes not so much. Depends upon your perspective, I guess.
Right. Vera sent me.
Excellent timing, for I have been attacked and fleeced by a dragon.
A what?
With several heads. Terribly fast, roaring in and out of nowhere, on a board, wheels, so much laughing.
So you got jacked by a couple of skateboarders. Got it.
Except you don't got it. They got it. They took the secret formula. The one and only scroll. If other alchemists make the potion, no money for the Empress, you see?
Ah, so they took, like, your formula for whatever it is you make.
Precisely.
I'm on it.
No need to lag, Drag. Come on, before I come off. Oh boy.
Hell, man. What are you on that makes you run so fast? This is your dragon? I was expecting someone with a little less acne.
Hey, little Joe, I think you got something of mine, something I really need back.
Come on, you little punk. Hand over the formula, or drugs, or whatever, or my fists are gonna get creative with your face.
Oh, shit! They didn't teach subtlety in Big Muscular Man School, did they? Follow and take notes. The formula's getting away with the kid! Holy hookers! My mind is imploding and the world is on fire! Ooh, this formula is gonna be a hit! Come on! I'm hot on the scent! Dragons leave a wake of smoke and pixie dust!
You all right?
Wish I could undo that sandwich that I did. Oh, I'm winded.
I'll be faster without you.
Go! Go! Fly! Don't let the dragon touch your jewel capsule!
I can do this all day, little man.
Stop chasing me! Leave me alone!
Hold up, or I'm taking your lunch money.
Stop chasing me! I hate to see a kid go down like that. So, you the Empress's new muscle?
Vera? Just while she helps me sort out some things with Frank Valiano.
Frank? Those two are on speaking terms again? Didn't know hell had frozen over.
What are you talking about?
The Empress and Frank were always at each other's throats before the fall of Rome, and now in the twilight? I have a hard time picturing them, sorting something out.
Hang on. Are you saying Vera lied to me? That she can't help me with Frank?
I don't know your story, Muscle, but I do know that you wouldn't go running to St. Peter if you were looking to work something out with the devil. And now, I bid you good morrow. Thanks for the help. See you around.